Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Ishu Vishu Ki Masti, and today's video I am going to review the Philips mixer grinder. The model number is HL7707. If you are planning to buy a powerful and reliable mixer grinder for your kitchen, then watch this video till end. So let's get started. Let's begin with the unboxing. Inside the box, you get a user manual, a warranty card, 3 jars, and a main unit, that's a motor. These are the jars and the main unit. Main unit will come in only and only a black color. Guys, these are the parts of the food processor jar which comes with 2.2 liter capacity. This is the larger jar, supports food processing tasks like grating, slicing and kneading using the included tools. And this is the main unit, the motor, which comes with 750 watt. It has 3-speed control with pulse function and also anti-skid feet for better stability. So friends, here you can see all the tools and the jars come with the machine, and the displays here you can see the jar size and the capacity. So guys, mixer grinder's main body is made of strong ABS plastic, which is designed to be a sturdy and handle regular kitchen use. And the jars are stainless steel, and a blender food processor jar stainless steel jar are durable for rust resistance and good for everyday grinding, blending and processing. So guys, this is the food processing jar. You can grate, knead or you can chop with it, and it comes with many tools.
अच्छा सामान डाल के पुश करेगी ना ऐसे। क्या क्या काटता है वो।
Overall, Philips is a good mixer grinder for everyday's cooking. If you want a reliable and simple mixer grinder, this is a good option. So that's it for the today's video. If you like this review, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.